In the growing search for safe and sustainable ways to slow aging, a number of plant-based compounds have emerged as some of the most promising tools in the natural health arsenal. While psilocybin, derived from psychedelic mushrooms, is receiving attention for its systemic and neurological benefits, it is far from alone. Other naturally occurring molecules, such as curcumin from turmeric, resveratrol from grapes and red wine, and epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, from green tea, are now being studied for their wide-ranging anti-aging effects. What unites these compounds is not just their origin in traditional foods or medicinal plants, but their ability to act on key biological pathways involved in inflammation, cellular repair, mitochondrial health, and longevity signaling. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is one of the most well-researched plant-derived molecules in the world. Known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, curcumin affects many of the same cellular processes that deteriorate with age. It modulates the activity of nuclear factor kappa B, NF-B, a transcription factor involved in chronic inflammation, and supports autophagy, the body's process for clearing damaged proteins and organelles. In animal models, curcumin has been shown to extend lifespan, improve memory, protect against metabolic disorders, and slow the development of neurodegenerative diseases. It also enhances the activity of antioxidant enzymes like superoxide dismutase, SOD, which defend against oxidative damage, a major driver of aging at the cellular level. Resveratrol, famously found in the skin of grapes and in red wine, rose to popularity after researchers observed that it activates sirtuins, proteins linked to DNA repair, metabolic regulation, and aging resistance. SIRT1, in particular, is a protein that appears to mimic some of the effects of caloric restriction, one of the most consistent life extension strategies found in nature. By activating these pathways, resveratrol has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, enhance mitochondrial function, reduce inflammation, and increase the resistance of cells to stress. In rodents, resveratrol supplementation has delayed the onset of age-related diseases and improved physical performance, especially in high-fat diet models. Though human data is still emerging, the compound's broad range of benefits and safety profile have made it a central focus of anti-aging nutrition. EGCG, the most abundant catechin in green tea, is another plant compound with wide-ranging anti-aging potential. It protects against oxidative stress, supports cardiovascular health, and has been shown to inhibit the formation of advanced glycation end products, AGEs, which contribute to cellular aging and tissue stiffness. EGCG also activates AMPK, adenosine monophosphate activated protein kinase, a metabolic switch that enhances energy production and fat oxidation while reducing inflammation and cellular stress. Like resveratrol, it may imitate some of the cellular benefits of fasting and caloric restriction. In aging models, EGCG has improved memory, reduced fat accumulation, and protected against cancer-related cellular changes. Additionally, green tea consumption has been correlated with lower rates of mortality and degenerative disease in large population studies, lending support to its long-term safety and efficacy. What makes these plant-based compounds especially compelling is their ability to modulate multiple aging pathways simultaneously. Rather than targeting one isolated mechanism, they seem to promote balance across interconnected systems: oxidative stress, inflammation, mitochondrial function, and DNA repair, all of which play roles in how quickly or slowly we age. Their pleiotropic multi-effect nature means they can offer support to a wide range of tissues and organ systems, from the brain to the heart, skin, liver, and beyond. Importantly, these compounds also work well with lifestyle interventions. The anti-aging benefits of a plant-rich diet, regular physical activity, and stress reduction are well known. But when supplemented with natural compounds like curcumin, resveratrol, and EGCG, the effects may be enhanced. For instance, exercise itself increases SIRT1 activity and AMPK activation, the same pathways targeted by resveratrol and EGCG. Similarly, intermittent fasting boosts autophagy and reduces inflammation, effects that curcumin may support on a biochemical level. Although many of these compounds are available in supplement form, they are also present in whole foods, which offer additional synergistic compounds and a lower risk of overconsumption. Turmeric root, grapes, berries, green tea, and other plant foods bring not just isolated molecules, but complex phytochemical environments that may enhance bioavailability and therapeutic effect. As science continues to decode the aging process, These plant-based molecules are being recognized not just as antioxidants, but as adaptive stressors, mild biological challenges that trigger the body's internal repair and renewal systems. This concept, known as hormesis, helps explain why small, regular doses of natural compounds can have disproportionately large effects on health and longevity. While we're still far from achieving a universal anti-aging pill, the regular inclusion of natural, plant-based compounds like curcumin, resveratrol, and EGCG offers a safe, evidence-supported way to help the body age more slowly, more gracefully, and with greater resilience. When combined with thoughtful lifestyle choices, they form a powerful foundation for long-term vitality and disease prevention, rooted not in synthetic drugs, but in the intelligence of nature itself.